Hey there guys, how's it going? This is Vishnak back again with a new tutorial. And in today's tutorial, we are going to enter into the realm of augmented reality finally. And what we're first going to do is we are going to download all the packages, Vuforia packages, and import it into our Unity engine. And we are going to unpack all the extensions, use AR camera into our asset scene so that our webcam can track our image target and place augmented objects on top of those image target, which is in turn gonna augment our physicality. So quite a lot of interesting stuff into our today's video. So without any further ado, let's get started. I've fired up our engine, and this is the example that we were working on earlier. And what we're going to do is first we are going to download the packages. So to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Windows, and right after that click on Package Manager over here. What it's going to go ahead and do is it's going to bring out quite a lot of packages that you can actually import into your Unity engine. For our example purpose, we are going to use the Vuforia engine augmented reality application. What I'm going to do is click on this and click on install. It's gonna install all the packages and extension into our engine, into this project. And yeah, so we have downloaded all the extensions. Now I can just come out of this box. Now, first thing what we are going to do is we are going to click on our main camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to uncheck on this and hide our main camera. So right now, I'm not going to use our main camera because it's of no use in our scene. We are going to use, instead of our main camera, we are going to use our augmented reality camera. And I'm going to show you, you can right click on that, click on Vuforia engine, click on AR camera. All right, let's not create any confusion over here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this out of our hierarchy panel and simply use our AR camera. Now, as soon as we entered our AR camera, you can see it's been placed somewhere over here inside our scene panel. Let me go ahead and fix that up. All right, so let me just bring back our previous camera so that I can copy the camera components and paste it to our AR camera. And then I'll go ahead and delete this one. So since our main camera is selected, I'm going to go ahead and copy the components and paste it into our AR camera. All right, voila. Now you can see this is where our main camera was also located earlier. As I click on this, you can see it's been located over here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on AR camera. And since we are using only our AR camera, I'm going to definitely go ahead and delete this one. All right, now it's set up for our scene. So one final check, one final quick check. What I'm going to go ahead and do is going to go ahead and click on this option at the bottom of the screen in the inspector panel of AR camera. Go ahead and click on Open Vuforia Engine Configuration. And right after that, it's going to bring you to this page over here. Now, there are quite a few options which we'll be talking about. The first option is App License Key. Now, I have already pasted an app license key. If you want to go ahead and paste the app license key, click on Add License. It's going to take you to a Vuforia developer portal, and you can create a license key and go ahead and since I have already created it, I'm not going to do that. So what you can do is click on this and fill in your information and create the license key by checking on this box. You can click on confirm, give it a name and create a license key. I'm not going to redo that process since I've already created a license key. Let me go to that license key. Click on iNeuron. Now that's the license key that I created. As soon as I come to this page, you can see this is the license key provided by Vuforia engine for our app usage. What you can go ahead and do is click on this. You can just tap on this and it gets copied to your clipboard and go inside your Unity engine and paste it over here into your app license key. All right. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and check for my camera device. All right, perfect. So I have my webcam, external webcam selected. Now, what I'm going to do is let me go ahead and check my webcam by clicking on this game mode. Now my webcam is just set to a random place. So let me go ahead and enter and check whether my game mode is working perfectly or not. All right. All right, now you can see our 3D surrounding, our physicality. Now you can see this is my hand. It's been augmented with the planets that we created earlier into our project, right? All right, that looks wonderful. Let me come out of my game mode over here. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create an image target and link all of this game object to that particular image target. So as soon as our camera traces or records or sees that image target, it's going to go ahead and augment our 3D objects on top of that image target. All right. So to do that, you can go ahead and click on Vuforia engine and image. That's the option. But before that, I want to go ahead and click and go to our Vuforia engine portal. Here, what you have to do is you have to click create a database. And to do that, you have to click on target manager. I have already created two databases over here. I'm going to use one of those databases, but I will definitely show you how to create database. Go to add database and here you can name a database, and after that you can click on device and go to create. And basically what you are doing is you are adding an image into that database. So make sure that you add a high quality image. I'm going to show you my database that I created. So this is the image that I added inside my database. It'll tell you to upload an image. You can definitely go ahead and do it. It's pretty simple. And this is the image that I uploaded. If you want, I can give you this image into the link provided below this video. So if you want this image, make use of this image, definitely go ahead and download it from the link below this video. So if you want to see the feature points into this image, and also make sure that your image is a high quality image with a lot of feature points. So in this image you can see there are quite a lot of feature points. If I click on this show feature, you can see so many feature points are present in this image. All right, so I'm going to click on hide features. And what you can do is you can download this database by clicking over here and download the database. So I'm going to go ahead and download this for Unity editor and click on download. All right, now the database has been downloaded. What I'm going to do is going to go into my folder. It's been downloaded over here. You can go ahead and double click on that uh, package and it's directly gonna take that package into your engine. Click on import and it will be imported into your project. Now the package has been imported. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and right click on image, and voila, you have the package into your inspector panel. But if you don't have, there are quite a few options over here. What you can do is you can select predefined, and after that you can go to the database, and whatever is your database name that you downloaded with, select on that, and after that select on the image which you want to have as an image target in this example. So in my case, I want to have this sun to be the image target in this example. So I have selected that. Go to our y-axis. Let's align into place. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our game holder. Now this is our game holder. We have our sun, and into our axis we have all these planets. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take both these holders and make this a child object of our image target. All right, now it's become the child object of our image target. Now what it's going to do is whenever we scan our reality and if our webcam sees this particular image into our reality, what it's going to do is it's going to augment our reality by placing all these planets into the scene. Let's go ahead and try that out in our example. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and click on play, and I'm going to place, alright, voila, you can see this. As soon as I placed the image target of the sun. Now this is the image target that we have fed into our project. As soon as I placed it, our webcam scanned it, and because it's a high quality image and having a lot of feature point, it augmented our reality with this beautiful scene. Wow. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and come out of this gameplay. Alright. Now, since all of this is done, let's just go ahead and create this application for Android. Now, what I'm going to do is I can definitely go ahead and create this for iOS as well. But since I'm working in a Windows laptop, it is not viable for me to create it for iOS platform. So definitely I'm going to go ahead and show you for Android, but if you have a iOS laptop, you're working on an iOS device, you can definitely go ahead and build this application for both Android as well as iOS. Let me show you for Android. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and click on File, and after that I'm going to click on Build Setting. Alright, so what you can do is you can click on Android, click on Switch Platform. Alright, so once it has switched platform to Android, you can go ahead and build your scene, build your application for Android. And what we're going to do is we are going to add this scene into our scenes panel by clicking on Add Open Scenes. And after that, click on Player Settings. It's going to take you into this panel. Go ahead and rename whatever company name you want to rename. I have renamed it as iNeuron. And after that, go ahead and click on Other Settings. Go ahead and click on Other Settings. Alright, and I want you to go ahead and click on uncheck the multi-threaded rendering option. Make sure it's unchecked. In my case, it was checked. I have already unchecked this. And in the API, there will be an option called Vulkan API. So make sure you click on that and delete that API, which I have already done it in my case. But if you see a Vulkan GL option in your graphics API, go ahead and delete that because it's not going to support your Android cell phone or your Android device. All right. After all of that done, go ahead and click on the minimum requirement. So for me, I have clicked on the Nougat, Android 7.0 Nougat. I want you to also go ahead and click on this, and the maximum target API can be automatic, whatever is the highest installed API. All right, let us come out of this window. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on the build option. Now I'm going to go ahead and select where I want to save this. In my case, I want to save it inside this box over here. I'm going to name this as solar system. All right, and I'm going to save this. All right, so this is the application that has been created for me by Unity Engine. I'm going to definitely take this into my cell phone and try it out whether it works perfectly fine or not. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked the video. Bye bye. I'll see you in our next video. Have a great day.